up and down. Hey, come out any?
Oh, it stood it up.
You want to hook it to the drawbar?
Yeah, I think that's a new idea. Well, something's gonna break.
You know, chains snap up. I'm just gonna duck.
Hey, pick it up a little bit. I need to be able to get the thing up. All right, pull up.
Oh boy. Is that not all of it? God damn. All right, that's all of it. God damn. All right, well, that's a good anchor. Huh. I had no idea they were that long.
Either did I. Tell you what, it didn't budge that cotton.
Huh. Well, put it across the bars. I'll bring it back to the truck with me.
Yeah. I don't know what we're doing out here.
When was the last time there was a power line through here?
I think there's a sawmill back here like in the 20s. I mean, there's a sawmill over there in the 20s. They were logging this shit. I don't know if there's ever been a car line over here.
Huh.
There's a tram line that ran right there.
Alright, trans.
For the sawmill, though.
It's tough. And it's not seized. That's a good part. Look at us.
What a fucking sense is that, mate?
Jesus. Alright, well, where's the chain? There's the chain.
Huh?
I was wondering where the chain went. I don't know if you could hear it, but it was one to pull the front end up.
Yeah, it was fucking pull on it.
I felt it come up a little. Yeah. Which one?
There's a unit over there. There's a little tiny door.
I don't remember.
stop bringing bullshit.
Alright. Now which one is it?
I think it's this one.
I think so.
Pretty sure. Hold on. Yeah, it's this one.
Alright. Give her. Ready. Give her the sniff.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Just push on it?
Yeah.
Doesn't want to go.
What?
It doesn't want to go. It heard you.
You're bullshit.
No, not bullshit.
Fucking chip problem that was wrong before is wrong now. Try it again. Try it again. Push on it.
Stand by and wait for flash.
Alright, come on.
Yeah? Huh. I think I found the leak. Let me know if you spot it. Yeah, I can reach in there. Yeah. Yeah, no. All right. All right. Oh, there went my cooler. Did they come get the falling apart one? I think they did. Huh. See, that one's almost done. Another load, it'll be done. That one, load or two.
Jack FM plays commercials, just like your favorite radio station.
That's constipated.
Oh, ruts. Yeah, they did. Oh, cool. Cut it off and call him. He might want to ride back to his truck before I head in. Get some fuel. And perfect. Oh. We're hauling ass. That's pretty good considering I can't see a fucking thing. Good enough. Getting tagged. Bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Oh shit, it's rain. There's rain coming. Drive faster. Stacking bales with the touchy-feely method, because I sure can't see anything. Hey, look, rain. Rain stops the picker, but it doesn't stop me. I can't see a damn thing.
The wind was south at 8 miles per hour. In the Liberia, it was sunny with a temperature of...
All right, now this is where the fun begins. I have to get this water trailer out of here on this muddy road, or side road, with good tires, but bald tires. Oh, it smells like sewage, good Lord. Before the fog clears. I didn't even think to see if it has a pin in it or not. I hope it does. Oh, God. Nope. Doesn't look like it. Oh, shit. All right, well, back to the shop. All right, now the fun part starts. Let's see if I can get hooked up and try and get this out of here. Now, I could brag about that, but I know if I do, it won't happen again. So I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna grab the pin and see if it even fits. Hopefully the pin fits. I'm tired of this shit. I'm gonna have to go back to the shop. Oh yeah, it'll fit. Look all the way through. Just barely. Okay. I wonder if the lights on this thing even work. I'm gonna say no. But I'll hook them up anyway. Survey says. Oh, I'll be damned. Let me see if this same fucking thing will even come out of here. Four-wheel drive. Oh, it's not nearly as bad as I thought it would be. Alright. Well, so much for that excitement. Just gonna be slow going now.
Yes, I'm being 100% serious.
Hey, this is the fun part.
They said they had 122 highly skilled
Okay.
volunteers, mostly older white women.
Woo! Oh, that stinks. Okay, I'm rolling up my window. When in doubt, throttle out. God, it stinks in here.
That's cool? No, this is crazy.
The glamorous side of cotton farming. Climb faster. I want to eat lunch. I fell in the fucking hole. I'm kind of stuck. Fuck. Well, this is awkward. You missed the biplane, but that one's still nice. There. Maybe I can do it that way. Close enough. Close enough to stack. I love this thing. It's very uncomfortable, but it's just classic. Not the best I could have done, but alright. Thanks, Johnny. Back to work. Fun's over. Oh my God. Go faster. I want to go home. We just played chicken at work. What do you do? Go in there. That catches good enough. Haven't moved this before, so we'll see. Gotta park. Oh, that's for the steering wheel. It is good. Push the big rabbit. And easy as that. It's like playing a video game. Turtle, back to park, and that's it. Only seat time in this giant thing. Oh boy. I feel like I and get normal.
Think of this before.
Got lunch on the move. In a hurry. Gotta go. Fucking cars. Oh, you made up your mind? Okay. Oh, fucking ditch. 5 o'clock really is the best time to move equipment down the road. Definitely don't run into anybody. Off-road.
Past up 2 nice roads and then try to pull off in a ditch.
Yeah, I saw a car before did the curve do that. Get my dash cam going here. There we go. Well, when do you want to play chicken? The answer's that.
Right now.
Oh, that being at an angle is going to bother me when I'm editing it.
Plenty of places for them to get the fuck out the way, and they gonna come right up on me. Oh, he may live there.
He might. If he doesn't, he's a nice dude. Well, it's like all the people that believe farm equipment shouldn't be on the road after like 3 p.m.
Yeah. Not a lot of people like want to fight me because I'm taking up the road.
Fuck them. We got things to do. There's a car behind him. I can see him underneath. Oh, okay. No, he pulled into a street. Oh, Jesus. feel like I'm gonna see an accident in front of me.
What was
That 300 pulled off the road, and right as the truck was coming up, pulled back in the road. And more people. Wait until he pulls over though. Oh boy, a whole line of them.
You would think there'd be more of a break in traffic.
I never see this much when I'm on this road. It's because you're here. They all came out to see you. Alright, finally a break in the traffic. There's people behind him. Fuck. I can see the shop from here. Come on.
Go to the driveway and sit in the middle of the road.
Yep. It's taking us 8 minutes to get a mile, I think. Close to a mile. It's like me trying to run. You want to let that one go?
Yeah, well, I gotta make it under that pile.
Nope, they slowed down. I'm gonna go ahead and pull in front of them. Oh. I used a different driveway.
Well, that was awful. You can go and head back to your tractor, try to get all the ones furthest back that you can. It's supposed to rain tonight.
I thought the chances didn't start until 10 a.m. tomorrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Try to get all you can tonight, though.
Alright, see you later. I don't know what time it is, but I don't have a whole lot of time of running still. The wind made it worse. There he goes in the field. It is 5:30, so I have maybe another hour of running. So a little less than an hour by the time I get back up there. And all that horrible rain that's supposed to come through tomorrow, so we'll see what I can get. I could drive this road with my eyes shut. And I have. More times than I'd care to admit. Fuck you and your headlights. The driver's back already. Oh yeah, son, get that shit. We're all in a hurry. Oh boy, tornado time.
Is it pussies?
Going to Dodge Log Trucks once again. Woohoo!
Somebody said, "We're assuming stuff."
You sit there. I don't care if you can see what I'm doing or not.
People didn't know that and didn't.
something good. Or anything, really. Depending where it was, staring at the fender. Gotta hurry. There's a tornado coming, better work faster. I hate these little things. Windshield wipers suck. That's it. Damn right, let me past. Oh. Get the flashy lights going. Get him down the road. And so I just stay a little bit farther in front of him so I can go around the curves and warn people, if they'll listen, that there's someone coming around. My bad fancy light. Yeah, you can't really see it, but yeah, that thing hangs over the entire road and the shoulder. Yeah, it's awful to drive down the road blind, around all these blind curves. And just had a school bus meet him, and there's a car there. Here's not bad, there's enough room on the side to kick it out and get out of their way, but... or pull out and get out of their way if the ditch isn't too deep, but further along, like around the curves, it's pretty awful. That's when the friendly people stop and pull up completely out of the way. He's not completely out of the way, but you know, he's helping. He's good, you know. There we go. There he comes. Thought there was someone behind him. No, I guess not. You see how much of the road he takes up now? Come across a curve and there's someone coming towards you, like a dump truck, which we've been fighting recently, or a log truck, or a school bus. It's not a good option, you know. Oh, God. Slings a rock in my teeth. While he's doing that. It's hard to tell, I'd imagine on the camera, but oh yeah, right above the ground, that's good. But you don't want to touch the ground because those blades are expensive. Well, no, the blades aren't expensive, but you don't want to dull the blades. But more importantly, you don't want to explode the gearbox, which will happen if you bury the thing in the ground. There it goes. And if you're in a hurry, you don't want to get stuck behind one of those because they only drive like 45 miles an hour. I'm not kidding. I am down there. Way back there. Long rows in this field. sit in the grass. See, that's a much better idea. The road's actually tracking pretty straight. I'm not having to hold the wheel. We'll get back to it and try and get in my groove. I'm tired of driving in lines. I want to go home. From what my cousin says, the vibration has gotten worse since he ran it on Sunday. Today is Tuesday. I run it for the past 2 days. He ran it Sunday. And it's not cutting as well. So what we're hoping is that the vibration is brought by, you know, a couple snapped blades in there and throwing things out of balance. That'd be the best option. Worst option would be a bearing going out. But hopefully we don't have that problem. But we'll see. But like I told him, I'm going to use it until it tells me it can't go anymore. Since we got to get everything cut. So let's get back to it. Drink up. Vibration is worse. You can't see it. Hi YouTube, hello. You can't see it in the mirror. You see it barely moving, but that sucker is jiggling. Can't wait to see what happens. Here, it's not hitting or anything. And that's what it looks like when you kiss the ground. Congratulations on getting to first base with dirt. On to the next field. I've never vibrated so much. I don't know what people get out of this. It sucks. Well, that's probably not good. I bet a bearing let go. I bet. Let's take a look-see. Of course, it had to wait until after it fucking rained. It's a lot better than laying on cold, wet ground. Well, you can't really see anything, but I mean... Oh yeah. Coming out of it, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna call that one cooked. I guess we know the source of the vibration now. Ah, boy. All right. It's nice going from something where the worst thing you can do is touch the ground with it to something where the entire point is touching the ground with it. This is what I thought I would be doing. And the tractor I thought I'd be doing it in. We'll come up on a turn here in a minute. Let's put this down here. Right there. Just like the stock shredder, back and forth, up and down, all day long. It's a lot quieter in this one. It's even got GPS. Fancy. Look, Ma, no hands. Well, the seat's still fucked, but I fixed the radio. I'll take what I can get. Back on it. Boy, went and got stuck again. And I wish I had someone to prop up my phone, because I damn near got stuck a minute ago. Maybe mosey on over where he is. Someone's gonna bring us a chain. Oh boy. Let's turn into a fun day. Oh god. We're all gonna be stuck out here before you know it. I'm gonna go help him. Trying to pull the disc out. That's what was getting the tractor stuck. Oh, now it comes out. Free at last. Oh, thank God. Get to the hard ground. Oh my God. Trying to clean it out, it's going to suck again. Let's get out of here. Oh, I am getting the fuck out of this field before the same thing happens to me. I don't have the power or the tread to get out of that shit. I'm out of here. I'm going back to my field. I'm having my own fun almost getting stuck on this side. Woo! I sure wish the sun would come out. Good morning. Oh, better get to it. Alright, well, put the key in it like that. That way when you forget about it, it just geysers fuel. So don't forget about it. Perfect. Dead dinosaurs make the world go around. This is the exciting part. Make sure you watch through all this. Everything leaks. Keep buckets of fluids with you. I'm over here. Austin's over there. I'm disking. He's pulling rows. Lonzo's way in the back there. You can't see him. He's doing ditches. Wilton's somewhere out here. I don't know what he's doing. I'm sinking down and spinning. Awful good in some of these spots. I am afraid. Oh, nice and smooth. Almost got her. We'll get down here, turn around, go back up the same side, getting as close as I can to the woods. And that's this field looked. And I got to go all the way around to get back there because there's no culvert on this one. Yay! They finally get the culvert over there. I can just drive over and be there in 5 minutes. This is just around that right there. All right, well, gotta get to it. And there, like an hour later, I'm on the other end of that field. Now we need a culvert. So, time to set up and go, because I have a pretty good feeling I'm gonna get rained out before I can finish.